level 5 iri mbaro ya gukinyia nkuruki ya itanda ngiri imwe na boni kuringana na abisa munene kana CEO wayo Bernard Murithi akiaria kagita ga gutegera wa kiburebo itete na mbere na bwambiririe kagitene ka wathani bwa gavana Kiraitu Murungi ndagitari Murithi ugete murandi jojo jugatetheria bonene kiriwe jani botungata kiriaje bare bagukinywa Cibitarî neu ni aria onawe hamwe na mabisa bange kuma ubishine ya gavana bategerete rwangiro wa gutungatira aje banyomba arena kukuri na itanda 20 ozore mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Muthuri Murithi hari na iji na njira hendiku
Rwangirwa monitoring and evaluation rutongetwe ni mwerekeria laji mwendia ibakinyite ne Cibitarî nene bakenda kumenya kuthondeka kwa ndi njeru aragukinyite
ikale ya county ere satisfied na progress area one block age at Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital ego take ito kuona ne commit timelines na deadlines na ito go hope by the next 2 months kukethra kurena uwezekano wa kutumira this block
nyombeji amba kwithwa ikirikia kamba kwithwa ina itanda 250 birabi komba kwithara bikie admit ajeba medical ward both male and female na orabu kuona next kwi project eji area last week it were in a PS defense budget kuthia monitoring. It is going to be a total of phase 1 and phase 2 550 ko ringanira itanja 550 250 na biria be existing ke the other side of the it's going to go to almost 1,000
nkuruki bakinyandele cancer center ire kuringana murungamiri munene Cibitarî nene level 5 no Bernard Murithi augite nandi ikethwe kuruguro kwa bimye biere nontu mankira nandi nyombete gwikiro into bionde bira bikwendekana
mayeto aja i ward ira twita oncology ward ekweja na ndawa cia chemotherapy ina itanda 20 both male and female so ward iji ketherwa cia kumama kenda umba kwewa ndawa cia chemotherapy na section area reguru ibaraba kwewa ndawa cia during the day. On top of that aja together tuina an improved laboratory now as an institution aje ketherwa a one stop wejoka thithiru ithimi aja lab na kethe ikwewa ndawa cia chemotherapy ukaewa baraba kwewa during the day na baraba kwewa tuko
Muthuri Murithi weru njuma mutirirwa kanga